guess what? I am stuck inside a vending machine in Roblox. You could tell. Okay, and I came, and this is the best safe spot ever. Look at my health. I'm Ducky. Sorry if you can't see that, but it says Ducky Momo. Well, lay off then. That's what that dude says. I'm like stuck inside a vending machine. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. That lets the prisoners out into the courtyard. I'm stuck inside a vending machine. Why? My nightmare. I'm stuck inside a vending machine. I want out. Go say dad. Mommy. Anyone help? Anyone help? I'm stuck inside of a vending machine, for crying out loud. Inside. 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 Room. The lunchroom. Inside the lunchroom. Oh god, that thing is looking at me weird. Oh god. I can't die in here. Oh. I'm not dying! Or getting captured. This is the first. And I have my fighting bar on me. There. I can't. I can't. I can't. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. He said, no. 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 Oh. Oh. Yes. No. 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 Ooh, potato chips. I love potato chips. Me and him are eating potato chips. Bye YouTube. Bye YouTube.